name's Kelsey Bancroft, and today I'll be making macaroons. Macaroons are a baked coconut treat that are from the Netherlands. So the first thing we're going to want to do is mise en place, or prep. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 4 eggs, which I have in here, and split them and keep only the egg whites. You can keep the egg yolks in a separate container and use them for something else, but we'll only need 4 egg whites for this recipe. So I have a little ramekin, you can crack it in, and then we put the whites in this bowl. Now that we have the eggs separated, we're going to measure out 200 grams of fine caster sugar, which is just the regular sugar you put in tea or coffee. You will also want to measure out 200 grams of coconut. And these will just be unsweetened coconut flakes. Here's another bag. Now I'm going to open the shears. Now that we have everything mise en place, we're ready to preheat the oven. I want to press bake and then set to 350 or 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven is preheating, you'll want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper, or you could use wafer paper, which is what I'm going to do. Now what we'll want to do is we'll want to mix the eggs, the sugar, and the coconut together. You'll want to stir it with a spatula. Now on medium heat, you'll want to use a pan and cook the mixture for 3 minutes. done, you'll want to take it off the heat and put it back into the bowl. So now what you'll want to do is take an ice cream scooper similar to this, and you'll take one and you'll pack it, preferably using a fork, but make sure it doesn't spill over because we want nice, beautiful macaroons. And then you'll find a spot and you'll just clench and boom. You might want to press it down a little bit. And you'll continue this until you run out. Preferably spreading them about an inch and a half apart. Now that they're all ready, you'll want to put them in the oven and bake them for 20 minutes. I just took these out of the oven. They should be golden brown, and those are your macaroons. You'll let them cool until they get to room temperature, and if you use wafer paper, they will crack right off. But if you use parchment paper, you can just peel them off. That's how you make macaroons. If you want to store them, you can put them in an airtight container and leave them in a dry place. I'm Kelsea Bancroft. Goodbye.